Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the task summary template and explore its contents. To install Task Summary, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide your managers with a simple summary of all open tasks across their systems. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the Task Summary model. This model contains properties to store data on tasks, including task system and summary. The template also adds the task system model. This model contains properties to store data on third-party systems where tasks need to be completed. Now let's check out the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the Task Systems page. We have already added a task system item. Add a new system with the Add System button. This opens the task system page in a modal window. Then select the item from the list block to view its details. From the task system page, select Task Summaries. This takes you to the Task Summaries page, where you can see the summaries assigned to your employees. From here, select Assign Summary. This opens the Task Summary page in a modal window. Populate the fields with the relevant information. Select a summary item from the list block to view its details. To set up more task systems, select Task System Setup. This takes you back to the Task Systems page. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.